Here we are at Flex shop, and I have a new airplane that I would like to show to you. And so let me turn this camera around and see what you think. And here is the new RV-8 G2. You can see the new color scheme. Beautiful scheme. I love this scheme. It's a decal-based scheme. It was designed, the scheme, by Clint Sweet. You can see also the better finish for the foam. We retool or resurface the tooling to improve finish. We upgrade with a new motor. That is the Dual Sky 2826 560 kV. New propeller. It's a 12x6 Gen Fan prop. And we have also a Hobby Wing 50 amp ESC, and we have a 7.4 BEC. The reason of the 7.4 is we moved to the DS17 HB servo that offers with this airplane now a better, more precise, more lock-in feeling. Looking inside, let me get the hatch off. Take the hatch off. As usual, if you cut that tape, you can remove the pilot and customize. As you see online, many people like to paint the pilot. And over here, we have the new battery tray. Comes out like that. Similar to what we use with the bigger airplanes. And this improved this area because the generation 1, especially the battery, that was not removable, but this area was a little weak, and also didn't have too much area to strap the Velcro. The RV-8, it has a new program, and not only for retuning the airplane for better feel, better flying. Also, this includes out of the box our new firmware, the 1.25, that he has the 6-axis and the launch and takeoff assist. This new firmware is great for those newer pilots or those guys that are looking for a better or more confident flight and more confidence in their flights. You know, just quickly explaining, I will show with my hands. So the 6-axis basically, it limits the amount of roll you can go, will not exceed 80 degrees in right or left, and also will not exceed 45 degrees up or down. Even if you push the stick, will never pass that. So that gives a lot of confidence, especially in newer pilots. And the other thing we'll do is if you are in different mode and you are in a like inverted position, for example, you just flip the mode and the plane will come back up to the upright position. So there are more videos with much more details about the 1.25, but the important part in this video is that that firmware is included with the RV-8 10G2. So guys, this is just a quick review of the airplane that I like to show you. Let me show you down here a little bit of the scheme, so you also can see the scheme, how it looks like. It's a very visible scheme, and I really like this airplane, how it flies. Like the generation 1, it flew great, but this one, believe me, with these changes, it's just going to the next level. So thank you guys for your time. We'll keep showing you in other videos some more of the features of the RV-8 10 from Flex Innovations.